Alright, so for a while we've been wanting to get a light for outside the camper, kind of like a little porch light, but we couldn't find exactly what we were wanting. They were either all solar and motion only, or, just something we didn't like about it, and we kind of wanted something that we could easily remove before travel so that, it wouldn't get wind damaged or anything like that. I was watching a video on Happy Place Diaries channel, and he had got this little Sensor Bright 360 light that he installed on the outside of his camper. So I decided that, we would see if we could find them, and we actually did find one at Home Depot. As you can see, they had them marked down to $12.88. They said that it was on the clearance rack. We had to ask where they were, and they said they were on clearance. So I don't know if they'll still be available or if it was just our Home Depot. But so we grabbed two of them because we are probably going to put one inside the camper as well. But we are going to install one to the outside. And there's the little on-off auto. It does have motion detection, so if you put it on auto, it motion detects, and I think it's 20 seconds before it shuts off, somewhere in that area, and then it shuts off, but then the motion will turn it back on. Or you can turn it to on, and it will just stay on, which you can use as, a porch light on and off. You don't have to have the motion on. You can actually detach it and carry it around with you like a flashlight, because the base is magnetic. So the part that attaches to the wall is this little plate right here, which comes off of, I don't think I can do it with one hand. There, that little plate right there is what you mount to your wall, or the outside of your camper, however you want to do it. And then that just fits back together and kind of snaps in place there. And then you can put that onto the base, and you can move it around, so you can angle it however you want, up, down, sideways, doesn't matter. It's really pretty cool, and we're pretty excited to try it out for our porch light. That takes 3 AAA batteries, which is fine by us, because then there's no wiring or anything that has to be done, and we can just make sure we always have batteries with us. That's not a big deal. So we're going to go ahead and mount one on the inside of the trailer first, and we're going to put it above the little vanity mirror here. That way I can actually see in the mirror when I need to, because even though we have the big ceiling light, which does put out plenty of light, it kind of shadows right over here. So we're gonna put the light like right up in there. These come with a little round 3M sticky pad, double-sided, that you can stick this up on your wall or whatever so that it'll kind of stay in place. It comes with the screws, and we can see we've got one in, and then there's 3 of them, so we're going to go ahead and get those other 2 mounted in there, and then we'll show you what it looks like when we get it done. Okay, so we got the little mounting plate all mounted, and then this just clips on and kind of turn it and it sticks. And now magnetize that to it, and there you go. And then we can spin it around however we want. I'm going to turn this on, and you can kind of maybe give you an idea of how bright that is. That is really bright. So maybe that'll help when I'm putting on my eyeliner in the mornings. I can actually see what I'm doing, and I don't look like a clown. Alright, so now we're going to go put one on the outside. Okay, so we used a little 3M tape, and we just stuck the little mounting bracket thing to the trailer where we wanted it, and he drilled some pilot holes, and we're going to put the screws in now. Okay, so the mounting bracket is mounted, and the little pod thing is on, and there we go. And we can position that any way we want. You can turn it down. If we want it to light more of the step or ground area in front of the door. If we want to turn it sideways to see what's in front of the trailer or to the back, however we want to do it. Or if we just want to pull it off and use it as a flashlight. And we can also, this way, pull it off and bring it in with us when we are getting ready to travel, so it doesn't stay outside and doesn't blow off or something. Or if it just, we happen to get somewhere where it's like really extremely windy and we don't want it, you know, we can pull it right off. And we want to thank Happy Place Diaries for having done that little review he did on his little porch light like this, so that we got the idea and could get some for ourselves. Drop a link down below to his channel so you can go over and check out his great videos, and don't forget to subscribe to him and hit his notification bell and all that stuff, and so you can watch all his upcoming videos too.
As always, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our video, please give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when we upload new videos. We hope to see you again on our next happy adventure.